Hey guys, I'm Rachel and welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since my last video. I think I haven't made a video since like 4 months ago. It's been really busy with school and such, but I am trying to make more videos over the summer, so that's that. But anyway, school is ending soon. Actually, for me, school is ending next week. So before I move out, I wanted to show you guys where I lived for this whole year. So I am a second year student at Northeastern University. So I'm not living in the standard dorm style, like freshman dorm style, but I'm living in an apartment style, and second year students are required to live on campus. So yeah, hopefully this video can help if you're like a first year student and looking for another housing options. So yeah, without further ado, let's get it started. So when you walk in, the first thing you'll see is our living room. And if you turn right, you will see the kitchen. So we have the stove and oven and sink area. We also have a fridge. But I rarely cook, and we have dishwashers. But instead of using it, we just store our dishes and cups. And this is my cabinet. So as you can see, I have a lot of Angston. But even that, I don't really eat at home, so I should probably finish it. We have like this cabinet, so we store like our like paper towels and like trash bags. And if you go straight, you will see the bathroom. And so we have two sides of the bathroom. So this is the like sink area, and this is the shower and toilet. So I think it's really good because if someone's showering, you can still use the bathroom. So it's really convenient. And this is our living room. So our table over there was here, but then we just moved it here. I don't know, it's just like better work environment. And we have two huge windows, and we have this mirror. This mirror is so sad. It makes you look so short and fat. But we have another mirror. This mirror makes you look a little bit longer, so that's good. So the couch and table come together. And this is my room. And this is my roommate's side, but I'm just not going to show you guys her side. And I know it's like literally filled with BTS stuff. So next time when I move into other places, like I'm not going to put on posters because it's just like kind of obnoxious. So I have like this is my bed, and I have like a shelf right here. And this is where I store like my medication, like band-aids and stuff. And this is all BTS stuff right here. This is a BTS poster, BTS book. I have like water bottle, albums in the behind, Army Bomb, the diary, and like the banner, and like the headband and like keychain. So that's that. And I have like this area so I can put my phone and stuff when I charge it. And this is all my poster right here. So those three I got it from album, and that is from the concert. And this I got it from my sister, and this I bought it from the concert. So my whole wall is that, and this is my bed. But as you can see, my bed is pretty high, so I'm so short, so it kind of takes me a while to get on the bed. And I have like closets right here, and this is my desk space. And like literally I have no space, so it feels like a prison when I study here. But the reason why is because of this, because there was a huge gap when my bed was like up to here, so I had to pull shit back. So then my desk space is, there's no desk space. But I think it gets me in the zone when I study. But to be honest, I don't really study on my desk. So that's that. And I have dry flowers, and this is just like pictures of my family and friends. And this is my desk. There's BTS again. And so this is where my makeup is, my lip product, all my makeup, my eyeshadow palettes, perfumes, brushes, and like lotions, stuff like that. And my jewelry, sunglasses. My closet right here. So this is where all my like thick jackets and sweaters are. And I have some of my shoes here. And I have more shoes down here. I just have a lot of shoes. And here I have all my purses. So I have purses right on the top shelves and the bottom shelves. And my scarves, my beret, belts, and stuff like that. And here, this is where I store all my towels. And this is where my laundry stuff is. My blankets and pillows and stuff like that. And I have more clothes right here, so I have extra, like, I don't know, closet. So I have all my jackets, and this is all my blouses and like sweatshirts. So yeah, that's it for the room tour. It's super simple. That's it for the tour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!